AI generated OnlyFans models. I bet you've never heard that before. Forex trading, however, you would have heard of, especially if you're involved in the online money-making world. AI OnlyFans models generate me multiple 5 figures every single month. Are you jealous of OnlyFans models and how easy their lives are? Do you wish you had tits and you could just get them out and countless people will jump at you and pay you to see them? You quite literally can with AI models. And if you stick around till the end, you may learn a thing or two when it comes to AI models, as I'll be comparing it with everyone's go-to wealth creation method, Forex trading.
All right, so comparison one that we're going to go over with Forex and AI models is the startup cost. When we're talking about Forex, we're talking about huge startup costs to be able to actually make money with it. And sure, you could gamble away all your money. You could put 1K into it and literally gamble all of that in every trade that you do. But realistically, are you going to do that? No, and if you did, you'd be a fucking idiot. Sure, you can get a funded account with Forex and you can start trading, but that's going to take you so much time. And if it's what you really want to do, fair enough. I'm not going to try to convince you to hop over to a completely different business model. If that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. That's absolutely fine. But with AI models, startup cost is very near zero. All that is required is an AI image generation platform. A lot of these are free. However, you're looking at probably $10 a month for a subscription to one of these platforms. It's absolutely nothing if you're actually starting a business. As well as that, the actual business itself is mainly based around social media marketing. So again, that's free. You can set up social media accounts for absolutely free. So Forex versus AI OFM. If you don't have any money right now, you're going to want to go into a more lucrative business model that allows you to start for a much lower cost, such as AI models. So let's look at time when it comes to AI models versus Forex. So when we're talking AI models, yes, if you spend all day and you have very little money to leverage, then you're going to be more successful. However, is it necessary? No, not really. Let's look at Forex and the amount of time that takes. You are looking at graphs and charts all day long. So for one, boring, and you probably don't get the lifestyle that you want from leaving a 9 to 5 anyway, because you're going to be sitting indoors looking at a computer screen all fucking day. Whereas AIOFM, you can automate this with a team. You may be able to automate it with a Forex team, but then it defeats the whole fucking point. You might as well just hire people in the start and then make money that way. So in terms of time, you're going to be sitting at a computer screen with Forex. AIOFM, we can work on our phone, we can go to the beach, and we can have a team working for us. Scalability. AIOFM, it is an actual business. So you can hire staff, you can automate certain processes, and you can basically scale from 0 to 6 figures, 7-figure months, if you actually got to that stage, of course. I'm not saying that's likely. However, how do you scale with Forex? The only way you're going to scale with Forex is having more money to spend. So it's in fact counterproductive, because the more money you spend, that means the more money you have to spend getting more money. So it is a reverse effect. If anything, yes, you're getting more money, but the actual scalability of it is near zero. Let's talk about education. Now, all the gurus in Forex, and this is a well-known thing, but if you don't know about it, of course, if you're Googling how to make money online, they're going to come up because they spend the most amount of money for their ads. And that's because they get the greatest return on their ads. Now, what they actually do is they may even offer a free course or something along these lines, a free signals group, something like this. Realistically, that group is a funnel for you to sign up to the broker that they get commission from you signing up for. And you donate like a minimum of £300 or something like that. And then that person will get $500 to $600 from you just signing up. They will mislead you into free information or a course that's cheap or a free group or a network or something like this, as long as you sign up for their broker. A lot of it's misleading and a lot of it is just too good to be true, if you like. And that is why people sign up, because they're like, it's too good to be true. No way there's a free group on Forex. I really want to do this. And then they sign up and it's bollocks and they lose money. If you want to learn the basics of OnlyFans management, there's loads of free channels to do this. However, when it comes to AI, OnlyFans, and the information in this niche in particular, you're very limited to choice as to courses and education. And it is important that you do invest in education, because there is very limited of it. And yeah, you can spend months figuring out all this information for yourself, but there's a reason why this exists, and there's a reason why we have so many students that are having success in this industry. That's because we're the best at teaching it. And in fact, one of the only ones that are teaching it. That is the truth when it comes to education in Forex, and the reality when it comes to the actual education which comes with AI OFM. Okay, so I understand that anyone coming into online business probably wants to make quick money, because that's what it's kind of advertised as. Having an online business, making money online. You see all these guys like driving around in Lambos, and everyone's like, oh, it's so easy to make money online. And it is for those people because they know what they're doing. But when you first start out, are you going to be making quick money online? Realistically, no. Let's compare the two in terms of speed of return. When you're looking at Forex trading, unless you have a lot of money in the bank and you're putting a lot of money down on trading, you're not going to make instant massive returns. There's just no way, because you're not going to know what you're doing. You're going to lose a lot of money. If you're involved in signals groups, most of them are scams. AIOFM, you do have a very clear path with very little competition. So, you know, there's no kind of bouncing off this way or this way. You know that you have to make your influencer, grow them on socials, and then sell their content. And as long as you know that, then there's zero reason why you'd be disappointed if, you know, it does take a couple of weeks to get a return. However, most students that we have do see a return within the first week or two, purely because you're most likely very excited, very motivated to get started. You're going to set up your influencer, you're going to get everything on the social media, and you're going to get that fan view set up as soon as possible. And then from there, it's literally a case of researching your marketing skills and defining them, and kind of just, yeah, getting down to it and actually making money. It's really not too difficult once you actually research the business model and know what you're doing. Whereas, you know, Forex, it doesn't matter if you're an expert, if you're starting off with $100, $200, $300, your speed of return is going to be very, very minimal and very, very slow.
Just reaffirming the importance of community there. Look, I've been in your shoes, unsure, a bit clueless, and without any legitimate guidance. Truthfully, I went into Forex and got scammed. Not once, but twice. I do not want the same to happen to you. If Forex is your passion, go smash it and get the correct guidance. But if you're genuinely just lost, I'm here to help. If you're looking to join a community like the one I've mentioned a few times already, a link to our course, which comes with our community, will be below. Make the right choice and make it fast.